You are watching an experimental television broadcast from Appalachia Communications. Check now the announcement of the Scum Cats BBQ Steakhouse.
Almost Heaven, West Virginia, mountain this, mountain that, something older than your mom, something breeze. Hello, excuse me, man. I don't really remember this song. Can we cut it? Hello there, my name is Caio. I am not only the sexiest Brazilian in West Virginia wasteland, but also I cook the best barbecue in the region. You may have been lucky enough to eat at Scum Cats BBQ, the new steakhouse near Flatwoods. If not, don't waste time. Come and try my Gaúcho Brazilian barbecue, made with the finest meats obtained around Flatwoods. But I did not come here today to speak only about pleasure, but also business. Wouldn't it be great to join the Scum Cats family and be part of our successful business? Our steakhouse is available for creation of branches. Talk to me and I will instruct you on how to open your business and follow our quality standards.
Advertiser addendum. You may have heard that the current owner of Scum Cats BBQ killed the previous owner to steal his business and supplies. Scum Cats and Associates strongly deny these absurd claims. It is a malicious rumor spread by malicious people. Stop saying that.